Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 11th of December 2023. Before I do that, let's go on to Forex Factory and see what's happening in the news. We don't have any USD news apart from 6 p.m. Let me see what time we are in correct time zone. Yes, 6 p.m. UK. We have medium pack news. That's what we're interested in. And also we have AUD 10:20 p.m. So these are the evening news if you trade in the UK. Right. And going to the charts, let's jump onto the UK, gold chart now and see what's happening here. This is a 4-hour chart. Market has been moving inside this channel. As you can see that especially the upper side of channel, it has been respected, and the downward channel, as you can see it from these moves, the market is keep coming down and down because we have the downward pressure and market is bearish. And now this market is standing, there's a rejection in 4-hour here, as you can see, and now from here there's a rejection. And if this 4-hour, if we see the prices going into back into this channel, we can expect a good move to the upside. However, you still can take a trade here depending on how the prices will move in the lower time frame, because if this level is broken to the upside, you still have chance to make a good trade. And also if this level is broken, you can have more this move to catch with a good candlestick pattern. All right. And now going into, let me delete all this and we look at this into further. Looking at daily, you can see that there's strong rejection here. The previous high was broken up at this level. And now what we can expect, this was a fib level, from taking fib from here to here. We did draw fib last time in my analysis. So we take fib from here to, this is a 0.6 level, fib golden ratio level. And let me do it again. So yeah, this is a golden ratio level. And rejection is exactly from there. Now the market can easily move to the upside because there's a fair value gap as well. Looking into 4 hours, you can see this fair value gap more clearer. So it's possible the market go to this inside the channel, which I draw earlier, and test this fair value gap. And from there, because the trend is bearish, we can see the rejection, or maybe prices can come up to here. And if it's a bullish scenario, we can see to the upside. And if it's still bearish, market comes to the downside. And maybe once the market come up to this level, may see some consolidation and market comes further to the downside. So that's the situation. But in terms of levels, we have a level here. As you can see, this is level around 1940 level. This level with the fair value gap, we got around 1870 level, and also there's another level, 1816. So if you do level to level trading, then there's no problem. So we have to see how the market moves on the levels, and we will make decision accordingly. Looking the confirmation in smaller time frame will make our decisions according to the market timings. Make sure there's a volatility in the market when you take any trade so that your trade can be filled. So I'll leave that to you now, guys. I hope this is useful. And just one more thing. In terms of ability of selling, you can add Dixie as well. So Dixie is moved to the upside from this golden ratio level as well. So that means probability of gold going down is more as Dixie is favoring. That's our analysis as well. So always believe in market structure because Dixie is not the final confirmation for gold. You have to look the whole scenario and make your decisions. Right. So I hope this is useful and you have a good day, good trading day, and see you soon. Thank you. Bye.